welcome back to the ESA News Desk. I'm Sarah Panko. Joining me now is Christine Gray with Siemens Gamesa. Thanks so much for joining us here today.
Thanks for having me.
We appreciate it. So tell us about what you do for Siemens Gamesa and about the company.
Sure. Siemens Gamesa is mainly known for our wind turbines. We are the largest manufacturer of wind turbines in the world, actually. We're in 75 countries, and one of our largest markets is actually the US. But I'm responsible for our hybrid systems for the Americas. So that means any generation of renewables added together is what I'm responsible for.
Wow, that's big. So let's talk about where you think the future of energy industry is going and where it is now.
Sure. Well, I'm super excited to see energy storage starting to get some more traction. We've been chasing this industry for about 3 years, and if you've watched it, it's completely changed even in that short time period. But we believe that energy storage is not going to be a single animal at this point. A lot of people are talking about the energy storage as just a standalone storage option, but what we really believe is more hybrid systems will be the mainstay in the future, which is any of those generations together.
Yeah, and I think growth is on everyone's mind.
Yes.
I mean, it's getting bigger and more users.
Of course, as it becomes more mainstay, the discussion is much easier, I would say, with our customers, developers, utilities, financing, etc.
So going along with that, are there any innovations from your company that we can talk about that are on the horizon?
Sure. We have some technologies that we have been designing ourselves. One of them is called EDIS. It's actually for large-scale storage options, more actually not on the renewable side, more on our coal side, so gigawatt-hour systems. But for more of the utility scale customers here in the US, we're considered an integrator, so we will integrate any battery manufacturer or storage solution that our customers want with our proprietary AC system, power electronics, and our proprietary hybrid plant controller, which is brand new innovation and is not offered in the market anywhere today.
Wow. And we're here on the show floor, and I've seen you over at the booth talking away. A lot of business going on right here on the show floor.
Yes.
Talk to me why it's important for you to be here at ESA.
Well, what's really exciting for us is that we are one of the only wind companies here. Because most are really speaking to the OEMs, which are the battery manufacturers, but we really consider this to be it's the maturity of the market that solar companies are starting to look at it, wind is starting to, and that's super exciting because we believe wind is actually a much harder and more complex generator, comparing that to PV and storage. So for us to be getting involved into showing our value that we can integrate with all of these different generators is really exciting. It shows you the maturity of the market.
And you'll actually be speaking on a panel, Storage Plus,
yes,
right here at the conference.
We will. We'll be talking about how storage integrates with wind today and any of the other renewable generations, PV as well.
All right. Well, thank you so much. Thanks for joining us. We appreciate it.
Thanks for having me.
Thanks. This is the ESA News Desk.